All my ladies say, rock the crystal, rock the crystal, rock the crystal, rock the crystal, rock the crystal.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Thompson Francisco. I am a student at Youngstown State University, and I am an early childhood education major.
My name is James McGregor. I am a senior at Youngstown State University, and I am majoring in middle childhood education, science, and language arts.
My name is Chelsea Venters. I'm an early childhood education major at YSU.
I'm Natalie Dean. I am a special education major at Youngstown State University.
This is a literacy-based program. It's a 6-week summer program that we run through the Children's Defense Fund. It's called Freedom Schools. This program is important because every child needs to learn to read. And reading opens up every door possibly imaginable, no matter what you want to do in life. This program is important because it's encouraging children to know that we care about them. We want them to be successful. It's increasing their skills. We teach reading. We also have math, cooking, art, music.
I have the recognition.
So we're like school, but we're just enough not like school so that they are enjoying their summer here with us.
Every morning at Harambe is a Swahili word that means let's pull together. So we all kind of have like a little morning meeting, and we just get everybody excited for the day, doing cheers and chants, kind of wake everybody up and get them excited to be here.
I learned more in 1 week about classroom management than I learned all 3 years of my my education experience. You can read about it in textbook, but when you get down to it, kids act differently. They may not act the same. A lot of times, like, I want them to take something away from me, and they don't take that, but they take something else. And that's just as fine. I'll give a lesson, like yesterday we did similes and metaphors. And we talked about colors, and we actually made this color wheel. And the color wheel, we stated like what different colors represent to you. And what I thought and what they thought are completely two different things. And that's fine, because they learn their own way.
You really can't learn classroom management through a textbook. You have to actually be in a classroom and actually experience it for yourself. During the summer, they lose all that knowledge, so this is kind of just like a cap, just to keep them going and keep them fresh during the summer, so that when they do return to school, they're on top of their game, and then their reading scores will shoot through the roof.
Everything that I've learned in my classes has prepared me for being here. You don't even realize how much you've learned until you're putting it into action. Just even linguistics, your TERG classes, learning about reading and literature circles. I've already thought of things in my head of having children play roles and things like that I learned from my classes. I can honestly say that my education has truly prepared me to be a teacher.